Before I read my poem, I want you to hear this. I know your heart is hurting. I know betrayal and heartbreak can make you feel like the world has turned against you. But even in the pain, you are not alone. God sees your tears, He knows your sorrow. He is close to the brokenhearted and promised to wipe away every tear. Your enemies may gossip, friends may disappoint, and circumstances may seem unbearable. But your purpose is still intact. You are gifted, special, and prepared to rise. The pain you feel now will shape you into someone stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Hold on to Him even when it feels impossible. Let God be your protector. Let Him restore your heart and remind you of your value. Revelations 21 verse 4 says, "And God shall wipe away all the tears from their eyes, and there shall be no more death, neither sorrow nor crying, neither shall be any more pain, for the former things have passed away." Now listen with your heart as I read my poem, Why Do You Cry? Why do you cry? Dry the tears from your eyes. I know the pain is real, but it doesn't have to show. Scars from the past underline wounds that need to be recast. A journey filled with sorrow, yet hope can light tomorrow. Why do you cry? Dry the tears from your eyes. Believe that joy still lives. Storms of yesterday bring blossoms today. Stop wondering why enemies stand on the front line, awaiting your defeat, thinking they can dim your light. Loved ones with burning thoughts may stab your soul, trying to demoralize your very being. Dry the tears from your eyes. Stop wondering why callous hearts gossip and maul. Envious eyes may stare, friends may chatter, yet your purpose remains unshaken. Why do you cry? Dry the tears from your eyes. Betrayal of character may bring laughter. False rumors may fly, but the final verdict is yet unread. Dry the tears from your eyes and hear me clearly. You are beautiful, special, and talented. Your enemies act threatened because of your blessing. Success is coming. Intelligence, relevance, and virtue lead the way. You are not bitter. You are better. Amazing personality, righteous in character, prepared to rise. Why do you cry? Dry the tears from your eyes. My friend, love God first and yourself. Peace.